Hey guys, CRYPTOSICIAN here. So today, Friday, close of the trading week, a fantastic setup just showed up this morning around 7. That's pre-London session. And one thing I want to share with you today is that sometimes the market can present you with the opportunity you've been looking for or a trading setup based on your strategy, very early in the morning, even before London session opens by 8 a.m. All right, now we're still talking about GBP USD, and on the 15 minutes here, we see price retrace. We've been talking about, checking from the daily to see if this particular demand zone is going to hold. And we talked about making sure that there's confirmation before you switch to buys. Now, we saw last night that there was some bullish movement going on and then retracement to the 50 EMA and then another upside this morning during Tokyo session. Now, so this morning, early this morning, an hour before the open of the London session, price retraced all the way from here down to the 200 EMA here and even went below at 134 100 or thereabout. And then that was a fantastic point to get into the trade because you can see it's just around this bullish order block here, which produced a break of structure. Now, so if you had entered at that point, look using the 200 EMA as a confluence and also using a change of character, which I'm going to show you shortly, you would have set at least your TP to be the London session or Tokyo session high, which was around 134.411 or thereabout from this morning. And then it has even exceeded that level and went on to get to 134.550. All right, so now when the price approached this particular order block here on the 15-minute charts, the first thing to do is to observe, first of all, why it's a key level. Okay, so there's another block there, and secondly, there's a 200 EMA which it is retesting. All right, so we now go to the smaller time frame on that same level. Yes, this is after the facts, but there are lessons to learn. There are lessons to learn from here because you will know what to look out for. If you're waiting for a change of character, or waiting for a break of structure, or waiting for more confluences, you would know what to look for before you enter your trade. So this is the point it got to that level, 134 100. And then after sweeping liquidity here, price went up and created a higher high. All right, now we can see that price has been dropping down, higher, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower lows, and so on and so forth. And then it came to this point before it created a higher high, which is higher than the previous high here. And then it now retraced to a 1 minute